Getting employee buy-in on new HR systems can feel like a daunting task, but with the right approach, it doesn't have to be. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to break down exactly how you can get your team on board, so you're not left struggling with resistance. You'll also get an exclusive offer on software we're using in the description below to help you follow along. First, let's talk about the biggest mistake many leaders make. Assuming that employees will just accept the new HR system without any questions. If you want genuine buy-in, you need to engage your team right from the start. Share the why behind the change. Explain how this system is going to improve their day-to-day work, make things easier, and why it's important for the company's future. When people understand the big picture, they're much more likely to support the transition. Next, involve employees in the process early on. Solicit feedback during the selection phase if possible, or at least make sure they feel heard during the rollout. When employees know that their opinions matter, they're more likely to embrace the new system. This step is key to building trust and creating ownership over the change. Another important factor is offering proper training. The fear of using new technology can hold people back, especially if they're not confident with the system. A clear step-by-step training program can alleviate that concern and encourage people to use the software without hesitation. We're using a software in this video that has a fantastic user interface, making training smoother than you'd expect, but it's essential that your team feels confident navigating it from the get-go. Don't forget to communicate consistently. Check in with your team regularly to answer any questions or concerns. It's not enough to just roll out the system and hope for the best. You need to create a support system that helps people adjust. Consider setting up a help desk, holding Q&A sessions, or designating a few go-to people within the team who can help others. To keep things running smoothly, make sure you're not too rigid. Adapt your approach as you get feedback. If certain aspects of the new system aren't working, be willing to make changes. This will show your employees that their input is valued and that you're committed to making the system work for everyone. As you move forward, recognize and celebrate small wins. Even the smallest successes, like employees getting their first task completed using the new system, should be acknowledged. Public recognition boosts morale and encourages others to get on board. To wrap up, the key to getting employee buy-in on new HR systems is clear communication, involvement, proper training, and continuous support. You need to ensure that your team understands the reason for the change, feel included in the process, and are supported throughout the transition. Don't forget, as I mentioned, this software we're using in today's tutorial has a free trial exclusive to viewers of my channel, and you can find the link in the description below to follow along. So, here's your key takeaway. The more you involve your team from the start, listen to their concerns, and offer consistent support, the smoother the adoption of the new HR system will be. That's the approach that will get you real buy-in and help the system become a success. And before you go, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's the perfect way to start implementing these strategies right now. Thanks for watching.